So we can see from this quiz that equations with two variables are really powerful tools. However, not all variables that are connected in the same way. For example, some situations will involve cause and effect, but not all of them will. So bottom line, we need to think critically about the quantities we're dealing with when we're forming equations, to figure out how we should connect the different variables that are involved. Remember that we can often represent quantities in the real world with variables, and then connect these with equations. In these two situations that we just considered concerning Athena's afternoon, we saw that there was a relationship of dependence between the two things that we could express with variables. The number of sodas that came out of the machine depended on the amount of money that Athena put into it, and the distance she'd driven along the road depended on the amount of time she had spent driving. In both of these cases, the value of one variable helped determine the value of another variable. So one way that we could describe what dependence means, in the case of algebra at least, is that in an equation that involves dependence, the value of one of the variables helps determine the value of another variable. Now, a couple of other situations that involve dependence between quantities surfaced during Athena's trip. Athena used the gas pedal while she was driving, and when she got to her brother's house, she tossed him a can of soda. Now, for each of these two new situations, please tell me which of the sentences below probably describes the situation involving dependence.